Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TT's Footprints. Today I bring to you the heart of my home, my kitchen reborn. For over 30 years, this kitchen has been more than just a room. It's been the heart of my home, the place where I grew, laughed, and leaned on family. This space carried 3 decades of memories. My kitchen isn't just walls and tiles, it's a witness of my life's seasons. From memories of my mom and sister laughing while helping me in the kitchen, to the little feet of my babies pattering around, including a lot of clutter both in the kitchen and in me. Here I found the comfort in chaos and the courage to begin again every time, even the courage to start my own YouTube journey. Renovation wasn't an easy decision. A lot of work and effort went into the process before the contract work actually started. I started chalking out what I wanted, and the first thing that came to my mind was the decluttering, more light, warmth, and a brighter place. While I was frantically trying to design my kitchen with the help of my children in order to get the optimum storage with a modern look, I found Mrs. GM Furniture, who offered many interior designing options. This was the best thing that could have happened to me. I grabbed this option and connected with them. One Mr. Chetan was assigned the designing, and I must say that he very patiently worked with me and gave me many options, as you can see in the video. I would gladly recommend them as they work with the need of the client and delivers accordingly. I have shared their details in the video and also in the description. Renovating my kitchen wasn't just about design. It was about rediscovering the joy, the color, and the calm. The renovation started in June 24 and was completed by around October-November 24. It's nearing 1 year to completion, but somehow it took me a lot of time to film this video. A lot transpired during the last year, and it has taken time for me to find myself again. Every corner of my room looks so much brighter. It's like it's been exhaling after holding together for so long. Today, I walk you through my new kitchen from the chaos to the calm. It's still the heart of my home, just reborn. From the clutter to a brighter kitchen to a brighter me. I have covered a few features of my kitchen, but if you would like to know more, kindly click the link in my description or somewhere in the video to watch the detailed video shared by Mrs. GM Furniture. I would love to hear from all of you on my kitchen reborn. Please do leave your comments. Thank you for being a part of my journey, from the old to the new and everything in between. Do stay connected and do not forget to subscribe, share and like for more such interesting videos.